Okay, good morning guys. Today I'm gonna cook spicy pork belly, okay? So these are all the ingredients. The pork belly, I put black pepper and salt. And then we need oyster sauce, onions, garlic, spring onions, butter, honey, and then hot sauce. And this one, sriracha, and then ketchup, okay? The pork. Okay, so that's for now. Okay guys, so that's the last one. Look at that one guys. Oh. Okay. Add the butter. Garlic. Add the garlic. The onions. The spring onions, maybe 2 tablespoons of sriracha, 2 tablespoons of ketchup also. It's okay. For spicy, you can add a cayenne pepper, but I cannot take is if it is super spicy also. So that's why I didn't. I won't put, or I'm not going to put cayenne pepper. So I think the hot sauce, the ketchup, the honey, and then oyster sauce and the sriracha is enough for me. See. No, but if you want super spicy, you can add cayenne pepper, okay? But for me, this is enough. Okay. This is pork belly, guys. Belly. We're gonna add this one so that it's very beautiful. Okay, look at that one, guys. So that's our spicy pork belly. It's super yummy. Okay. Now it's testing time. Okay, I'm going to taste just a little, guys. Little piece. Okay. It's yummy. Because the pork is still crunchy. It's yummy, guys. So that's our spicy pork belly. It's super yummy. It's super yummy, guys. So our spicy pork belly is super yummy. Okay? So it's very tasty. Okay, guys. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye-bye.